DALATUNES. In the age of the internet, we can access music and videos from anywhere in the world with the click of a mouse. This interconnection is amazing. But if people can so easily find music from other countries, would they forget about their native music? Kazakhstan has a long tradition of beautiful music, from the Akan singers of old through to rock music to pop. Music is part of Kazakh culture, and it could not be left to fade away. So the first ultimate Kazakh music site was created in 2014, DALATUNES. DALATUNES has it all. It covers music from the 7th century to the present day, with videos, lyrics and chords. There are also detailed video lessons for people who want to learn to play the guitar or the dombra themselves. There are reviews of soundtracks, biographies of famous musicians and interviews too. DALATUNES even has an online shop where visitors can purchase traditional instruments and albums. You can also join to find out about music events around Kazakhstan. DALATUNES is proving to be a popular site, and they even have their own radio station. In fact, the website is opening the world of Kazakh music up to a whole new audience. The site is available in Russian and English too, so people from all over the world can enjoy the music of Kazakhstan